military pilot means a lot to me. This day is a very special day, because I've accomplished a goal that I've put ahead, and it means so much in terms of so much responsibilities that are going to be put upon me from this day forth. I've closed one chapter in my life and I've opened another.
Ofskoon vrolike musiek op 4 November by die Suid-Afrikaanse Lugmag se Langebaan basis weer klink het, is die geleentheid een van erns. 17 lede het na 4 jare in die lugmag hul vlekkies tydens 'n vleuelparade by die basis ontvang. Die lugmaglede sluit 10 vlieëniers, 2 vlugingenieurs, 'n radio-operateur, 'n lugfotograaf en 2 lugvragmeesters in.
In you, I see the embodiment of the South African Air Force's values. May you grow to be soldiers with integrity, for ours is to serve with discipline, dignity, professionalism, and patriotism.
It's amazing when you jump into the aircraft and you go out by yourself. It's your own little space and it's freedom. And yes, it's very strict with rules and regulations, but it's one of those things that you can't take away.
I'm so proud of him. I don't know if he told you, he did this all on his own. When he was in Hudson, in East London, he wanted to be a pilot, he contacted the Air Force himself, he did everything himself. He achieved all of this on his own.
It's been an amazing road. It's actually, the first time somebody can tell me that I said I wanted to be a pilot, I think I was 4. And it started with my grandfather used to take me to the airport once a week on a Friday. And we used to just look at planes.
Om uiteindelik jou doel te bereik is wonderlik. Dis vasbyt al die pad. Dis al wat dit kos om hierdie kursus klaar te maak. Is net uithou vermoë, vasbyt, sterk wees. Dis al.